Hello everyone, my name is Tanue. I am 6 years old. Today I will be speaking about science facts volcano. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain with a hole at the top. Famous volcanoes in the world are Krakatoa, Mount Canyons, Mount Tambora. House volcanoes era. The earth is filled with hot magma with extreme pressure. It will reach through the earth, big points and spout out. Lava will then fill out. This can be really dangerous. There are four types of volcano. Number one, cylindrical volcano. Number two, composite volcano. Number three, shield volcano. Number four, Yabado. There are three stages of volcano. Number one, active volcano. Number two, dormant volcano. Number three, extinct volcano. Why volcanoes are dangerous? Because it can destroy lands, properties, and life. Scientists use VEI to measure explosivity. They will know if the volcano eruption is weak or strong. Science is fun. Science helps us to understand our world. Thank you very much.